Hey, ZK podcast viewers. I'm Anna, the host of the ZK podcast and creator of ZK Hack. I'm just here with my colleagues, Gaylord and Quentin from ZK Hack. Hey, guys.
Hi, Anna.
Hey.
So we think of ZK podcast and ZK Hack as sister projects, with the pod being a great place to learn about ZK at a bit more of a high level, to meet the researchers and builders creating the next generation of ZK tech. ZK Hack is the spot for deeper learning and building. This community has been growing over the last 3 years. We have a very active Discord and a series of hands-on events for builders and applied cryptographers working in ZK. ZK Hack, as you may know, produced the ZK Whiteboard Sessions back in 2022 with our partner Polygon. Back then, we did 16 modules, some of which have made up the basis of study groups and courses on ZK the world over. ZK Whiteboard Sessions Season 1 had over 100,000 views, which is not bad for technical ZK content. Anyway, we recently came back with our second season of the ZK Whiteboard Sessions. For this, we produced 8 modules, and it was supported by a grant from the ZK Grants Round 2024, an initiative that was co-funded by the Ethereum Foundation, Aztec, Polygon, Scroll, Taiko, and zkSync.
So for this second season, we have an amazing roster of hosts and speakers. So starting with the hosts, in these whiteboard sessions, they're the ones asking questions and leading the conversation to make it interesting and interactive. Our 2 hosts are Tracy Livingood, co-founder of Pluto and coming from software and machine learning engineering background, and Nico Monblatt, research consultant at Bain Capital Crypto, who you probably know already as he's a recurring co-host on Zero Knowledge podcast and also a core contributor to ZK Hack. Now, onto our speakers. We got David Wong from ZK Security talking about what zero knowledge actually means. Justin Tyler, research partner at A16Z and associate professor at Georgetown University, who goes on to explain how SumCheck, of course, works. Ariel Gabizon from Aztec, giving an update on lookups and more specifically logup. Uma Roy from zkSync, describing the mechanics of RISC-V ZK VMs. Jim Posen from Irreducible, walking us through how small fields and binary fields work. And Albert Garreda from Nethermind with an update on folding and a walkthrough of Hypernova. Last but not least, after a break for the winter holidays, we just released 2 surprise bonus modules recorded by Dan Bonnet, co-director of the Stanford Computer Security Labs and legendary professor of computer science, with a 2-part lecture about fry and proximity proofs. Thanks to all of them, these modules are really special thanks to them. We hope you like them as much as we do, or that you will like them as much as we do as soon as you watch them if you haven't yet.
Yeah.
For Season 2, we've decided to add this on the new ZK Hack YouTube channel. We've decided to start a new channel for ZK Hack so that we could add all the study group videos, event videos, and clips over there. Basically, all the various projects we host under the ZK Hack brand. All 8 modules can be found on the ZK Hack YouTube channel. We're going to be adding a link here at the end of this teaser that'll take you straight over there. Go check it out and subscribe to see all we're doing at ZK Hack. We've recently added transcripts and subtitles to the different modules. You can currently turn that on for English, but also for Mandarin. Quick note, we're also now looking for Spanish speakers to help us proofread the upcoming Spanish subtitles. Please reach out if you're interested and want to help. The subtitles are now also on GitHub, so anyone can just make a PR if you see a typo or anything you think can be improved, or if you want to add a new language. All links will be here in the description of the videos.
Here?
A very important note, for these whiteboard sessions, we also host study groups focused on the videos. So if you are interested, join our Discord with the link in the description as well. That's where the action happens, and that's almost the main reason why this video series was created, really, to help ZK enthusiasts to learn about zero knowledge.
So that wraps up our message about the ZK Whiteboard Sessions. If you haven't already subscribed to this channel, please do. And be sure to check out the ZK Whiteboard Sessions Season 2 over on the ZK Hack YouTube channel. We're going to be, as Quentin mentioned, we're going to be adding the link to that playlist just after this. So be sure to also subscribe to the ZK Hack channel so that you get first dibs on the next season of ZK Whiteboard Sessions, Season 3, which we are now planning. Nice. So yeah, I think that wraps it up. Thanks guys for joining.
Thanks, Anna.
Thanks, Anna.
Yeah, and to our viewers, thanks for watching.